In your tax return, sir, does that sound right that you were paying a couple $100s a year in federal income taxes?
It's fake news. It's totally fake news. Made up, fake.
The New York Times has published a huge amount of Donald Trump's tax information, the kind of tax return information he's been fighting to keep secret for years. And it shows us a few things. According to the Times, Trump only paid $750 in federal income taxes in 2016 and the same amount in 2017. One of the reasons why he paid so little in income tax, and in fact, it says in some previous years he paid no income tax, was that his businesses are doing quite badly.
A lot of my write-off was depreciation and other things that Hillary as a senator allowed. And I pay tremendous numbers of taxes.
He's used all kinds of loopholes and measures to try to count business expenses like getting his hair done or consulting fees paid to his children as business expenses that he can deduct.
They've been under audit for a long time. The IRS does not treat me well. They treat me like the Tea Party, like they treated the Tea Party. They don't treat me well. They treat me very badly.
It looks like Trump has actually been under audit for 10 years, but it should be noted that Trump has always said I'm under audit as a reason not to give out his tax returns. The IRS has said that's not true. Any taxpayer, including Trump, can give out his tax returns whenever they want to the public. It doesn't matter if you're under audit or not.
If you look at the filings I think I have 108 pages of filings for all these different companies that do very well, obviously, because the filings, and nobody talks about that.
President Trump is facing a huge financial crunch in the next couple of years. He has properties that lose money, never make money, on which he has huge loans, which he has personally guaranteed. And if President Trump can't pay those loans, and it doesn't seem like the properties themselves are going to pay the loans, then he could be in for some real trouble with his lenders. One of the things I'm really interested to know is how much U.S. government money has been given to Trump properties since Trump took office. The government won't say, the Trump organization won't say. So we've been trying to compile a list of those transactions sort of one at a time, knowing now that Trump's properties were in financial distress and that every dollar helped. I'm even more interested to know what's the full picture there, how much government money in total has been given from Trump's government, Trump's business.